I'm Sybil Johnson, and I received my MA from Bard Graduate Center in 2019. Today I'll be sharing with you the Penny-Farthing bicycle, which dates to the latter quarter of the 19th century. The penny-farthing is so called because of the difference in the size of its wheels, which resemble closely a penny and a farthing British coin when placed next to each other. Also called the ordinary or the high wheel, it was simply known as bicycle to its contemporaries until the advent of the safety bicycle in the 1890s. This model exemplifies durable construction with a cast iron frame, turned wood handles, and sewn leather seat, and would have required very little maintenance on the part of its owner. Because of its high wheel, it allowed the user to attain high speeds and a very smooth ride with very little effort. And though perilous because of its height, both mounting and dismounting could be easily mastered. Originally manufactured in France, its popularity boomed in both Britain and America, and it remains today an enduring symbol of the Victorian era and the birth of bicycling as a sport.